Hello, Peter.
Hello,
Good
teacher.
evening.
Good evening, teacher.
Yes. How are you today, Peter?
I'm great. And you?
I feel fine too. Thank you for asking. Okay, so anyway, Peter, today we are now in Unit 9. So this time we'll focus on the book first, and I will give you 10 minutes to practice your speaking skill later on. So that will be the time that you can tell me anything. You can ask me anything. You can share something. Okay, but for the first 20 minutes, we'll focus with the book. All right?
Teacher, but wait me a minute.
Okay.
Where is Mama? Is Mama okay now?
Yes, he is completely okay now. It's just that he didn't go to school today, and the doctor told him to rest for 1 week. Yes, that's why he didn't go to
No.
school from Mondays to Friday.
Today is Saturday. No. Today is
Friday.
Friday.
Yeah, Friday. Yeah, so Matmat didn't go to school from Monday to Friday. So hopefully next week he can go to school because he is actually okay, 100% okay. But still, no phone, just drink more water, sleep, eat, and repeat. That's what he do usually. Yes. Okay, Matmat is just in the living room.
What is
Lying.
Mama doing?
I think he's lying on the sofa.
Sliding
Like that, like this one. Lying on the sofa.
like that.
Yes, like that. Yes. Okay. So anyway, we are now in Unit 9. It's all about in my classroom. So let's look at the words in here. Listen and repeat. Break.
Break.
Okay. What is the definition of break? I want you to read this one, Peter, please. We have.
Break is breast to be uh, damaged and separate into two
Separated.
more parts as result for result of force to damage something in its weight.
Okay. So when we say break, that means we're going to do it like this. Okay. Like for example, I'm going to break my phone. How can I break my phone? I have to throw it. Throw to in order to break it. Okay,
I
so that
can break
is
my
break.
leg on.
Yes, try to break it. That's right. So that is break. So Peter, I want you to look and say separated.
Separated.
Very good. Okay, result.
Result. Teacher, 1 minute.
Okay.
Hello, teacher.
All right. So let's look at this one. So we have break. Let's try to make a sentence using the word break. Like for example, okay, like,
Teacher,
oh,
does in your country, do in your city have a supermarket?
yeah, we have a supermarket here in my place.
How far to your home to from your home to the supermarket?
That's gonna be 20 minutes. Without any
20
traffic,
minutes.
if it without traffic, that will only last for 5 minutes. But with traffic, 20 minutes.
20 minutes.
Yeah.
Is that many people in
Yeah,
this
there are,
traffic jam? Is
of
that usually
course.
traffic jam?
Okay, the traffic jam usually happen during rush hour, early in the
During rush?
morning, and 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and especially at night. That's when traffic jam happens. Okay, so in
Yeah.
here, uh-huh.
What did your family do? Your sister, Matt, and your parents do when the night?
What do we usually do at night? Okay, we do different things. My
But
sisters, two of my sisters will do their homework. Matmat's mother,
oh, your
oh,
sister, how old is your sister?
oh, my youngest sister is 10 years old.
10 years
Then,
old.
yeah,
You is an adult, but why do you have two young sister?
yes, that is our youngest sister, 10 years old. Because I have so many siblings. There are 6 children in our family, the children of my mother and father. So I am the second child. Then my youngest sister is 10 years old. And my other sister, second from the last sister, is 15 years old.
15 years old. So
And
young.
our
No,
eldest,
no, no.
yeah.
Older than
And our eldest is 28 years old, and I'm next 24 years old.
your parents have 6 children.
That's right.
Can you say again?
Yes, my parents have 6 children.
And
Okay, look at this one.
can you tell
Princess
again?
is the eldest. Okay, look, Princess is the eldest. She's 28 years old. Me, okay, I'm the second one. I'm 24 years old. Okay,
Princess Mom.
Matmats, listen. Matmats, oh, no, no, no. Jang is 20, how old? 23 years old. Okay, so Princess is Matmat's mom. Yes. Then, what's next to Jangjang? My brother. I only have one brother. My brother is 19 years old. Then my sister, FF, she is 15 years old. And my youngest sister, Paula, she is 10 years old. Like that.
Teacher. But
Mm.
why the name have a number?
Ah, this is how I write it. FF. So it should be like this. FF.
Jang.
Jang. Like that. Yes. Okay. So yeah, I belong in a very big family. Okay. Anyway, we have the word metal. Okay. Metal.
That is how to I dry my hair.
Yes. But you don't have to worry about drying your hair because you're a man, so it easily gets dry. Yes. You don't need a blower. Unlike women, we really need blower. Okay, now look, say metal.
Metal. A type of solid. Metals. Mineral. Mineral.
Substance.
Sub- Substance that is usually hot and sunny and that heat and elect- electricity can we travel through. For example, thin iron, and gold, and silver.
All right. Thank you so much for reading that one, Peter. So, Peter, I want you to look, listen, and repeat after me. Say, shiny.
Shiny.
Okay. Electricity.
Electricity.
Through.
True.
Tin.
Clean. Tin.
Iron.
Iron.
Very good. So, a metal is kind of a bar. Yes,
I
just like
know.
uh-huh.
My my Vietnamese my Vietnamese English teacher
Mm.
teach me metal.
Oh, very good. So, what are examples of metal? We have
Metal is silver, gold, diamond. No, diamond not metal. Ồ mẹ, kim cương có phải xin gọi không?
yeah.
Iron.
All right. So, yeah, iron, bronze,
Iron.
gold, silver, tin, those are all metals. Okay, and we have here remember.
Remember.
Okay,
Forgot
so
and
that
remember.
means that's right. To have or keep an image in your memory of an event, it could be a person, a place, etc. from the past. So let's make a sentence using remember. For example, I remember one time that I fell from um from the second floor, okay, just up to the third stairs. Huh? From the second floor down to the third stairs, but it didn't hurt. So what's your sentence?
I remember when I small I met a beautiful Lego guns.
Very good. So you can say it. I remember when I was little, I met a beautiful Lego gun.
But it's only example.
Yes. Very good. Okay. So instead of saying when I was small, you can say when I was little, I met a beautiful Lego gun. Okay. Now we have here keep.
No, wait a minute. I erase it.
Okay. So how we have keep.
Okay. Keep to continue to have something and not give it back or throw it away.
Yes, that means we don't throw it. We just keep it. Okay, for example, I keep all the things that my
Teacher,
boyfriend gave to me.
teacher. Now, no. In yesterday, I make 50 wolf now. 50.
Wow, that's a lot. Where are they?
Okay. This it. I can say it.
Wow, you put it all in the paper bag. Very good,
I
Peter.
I count it for you.
Oh, it's
1,
okay. You don't
2,
have to count it.
3,
Uh-huh.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50.
Wow, that's a
51,
lot,
52,
Peter.
53,
Mm.
54,
Wow, 50 plus. So you've got 54.
54,
All of
and plus 10, 10 else. So for
64.
64. 64.
That's right. What are you going to do with all of those?
I don't know.
Yes, you can actually
I give
keep
it to
them.
my friend.
Yeah,
I
like
give
that. Then you can play with them.
make it is make it have fun.
That's right, Peter. Okay, and lastly, we have repair. Repair means to fix something that is broken, damaged, or torn. For example, okay, so I repaired our sink last night. What's your sentence?
Um, I repair my gun Lego when it's break.
Okay, one more time. I repaired my Lego gun when it was broken.
I repair my Lego gun when it's broken. Was broken.
That's right.
This
Okay.
is my this is my smallest Lego gun.
Oh, wow, it looks so cute, Peter. Okay, so this time let's find the two halves of the sentence. So look, okay, so glue. When you break a cup or plate, you can try to repair it with
Okay, I do
this.
it now.
What about scissors?
Caesar, I um dictionary. If I was mean a pin wait. Hmm. A five. So what's in? Is that right?
Yes. Wow, perfect, Peter. Okay, so Peter, what is a file?
File. What is file?
Okay. A file is actually a, a paper. It could be a paper or just a portfolio where we can organize and keep all the documents that are important. Okay. Or in the computer. When we go to our computer, there are so many folders.
Teacher.
Folders represent where we can um keep all our documents.
Ah, did you eat dinner?
Not yet. How about you?
Not yet.
All right.
Um,
Okay. So look, we have glue, file, bin, calendar, and scissors. Do you have all of this at
teacher.
home, Peter?
Um, first is glue. Second is file. Third is pin. Fourth is calendar. Fifth is scissor. And last is diary. No,
Okay, you
no,
say
dictionary.
that's right. What is a
Dictionary.
dictionary, Peter? A dictionary is something that we use when
When we don't remember some word. I
that
have
is
my
right.
mom have a big dictionary.
Mm-hmm.
Teacher, I read the book. Who is
Walt
Walt
Disney.
Disney?
Wow, that's nice. Okay. So who wrote that book?
Um, teacher, I write for you.
Okay, sure.
Oh,
Who is Walt Disney? Ah, that's the title of the book. Okay, thank you so much for sharing that one, Peter. So, Peter, it's time for you to
Yeah.
practice speaking skill now. Okay, is there a calendar in your house? And where is it?
Calendar. What is yes, calendar.
A calendar
I
is something that would tell us which month, what date, what day, and in what
I will
year are
say
we now. Like, for example, August 30,
picture.
2024.
This is my house,
Oh,
and
yes,
this
very good.
is calendar.
Where is it? I can see it. Oh, yeah, oh, yes, that's
And
correct.
this is mm,
Your
my
medal?
yes medal.
Very good.
I go
Okay.
to I go to competition.
Wow, you joined a
I
competition.
I
What was the
go to a
competition for?
competition.
What was the competition for? Was it a competition for math competition, writing competition, English competition, soccer competition?
Vietnamese and math competition and and one more is culture competition and one more is my and one more is my mom competition. This is drum competition.
Wow, that's great, Peter. Okay, now look at this one. Do you have, this is the same. Okay, so where do you find glue and scissors, Peter?
Where do you find glue is in my mom pencil case.
That's right, in your mom's pencil case. Okay, what's the glue for?
Yeah. Can you
Why do
say
we
again?
use the glue? What's the glue
Mm,
for? Scissors is to cut something. What about the glue?
mm, the glue is made to paper like that. I don't know. Teacher,
Mm.
can you share your 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 calendar? Teacher, do you
Ah,
have a diary?
I don't have a diary. I don't write a diary. How about you? Do you write a diary?
No.
Ah, okay. So who writes a diary at home?
Common. I don't know. Famous people usually write a diary, and my mom say, "Oh, if you want to be a famous people, a great people, you need to write a diary."
Yes, that's right. Actually, there's someone, or let's say The Notebook. The movie The Notebook was based on a real story. And it was the story of two people who are in love with each other. And the girl would always write on her notebook about what happened between them two. So yeah, through her diary, okay, somebody found it and they make a movie out of it. So that's why people nowadays are motivated to write diary, because a diary is based on a real story every day that happens in our life. Dear diary, today I had fun. Like that. Today I learned English. I learned um the word medal, like that. Or today I went to school but it ended up raining at night. So those are just example of
That is my
diary. Yes, I know. Okay. So, Peter, do you use an English dictionary?
Mm, I have a dictionary. My mom have a dictionary, but I don't use it.
Okay, wow. You know what? A dictionary is very important. If there is a word that you don't know, you can actually
Um,
find it in the dictionary.
if I don't understand some word, I will go to Google.
Yes, that is more convenient than opening a
It's
dictionary.
my dictionary. Google.
Yes, that's right. But not all answers in Google are true. We still have to verify the sources, whether the sources is true or not. But we can actually install mobile dictionary like Miriam, Oxford, like that. There are many mobile dictionaries that we can install in our phone. Do you have a phone?
Phone. I'm. My mom say when I in 12th grade, my mom will buy for me a a a phone. It can be it's for 14 phone Pro Max.
Very good. Wow, that's really
But
nice,
now
Peter.
my mom say I can't play game and I only watch TV or watch TV or watch YouTube in my iPad and sometimes chat with my friend in my iPad too.
Yes. Okay, so that is also for your own good. But you know what? When you reach in grade 12, iPhone 14 Pro Max is gonna be outdated. Because the iPhone keeps on adding I keeps on upgrading their unit. So who knows, there's gonna be iPhone 20 Pro Max in the future when you reach in grade 12. Okay. So anyway, Peter, like it's almost time. So do you have any more question before we end?
Mm, let's see.
Okay, you can actually ask me that question next time because it's already time. Thank you so much. I hope you learned something. Bye,
Bye.
Peter.